guys, it's me, it's definitely Daphne. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do my everyday makeup. So first I start off with skincare. I use a moisturizer to prep my skin for the makeup, and then I just use my palms to pat it over. Then I'll be using a lip balm to also moisturize my lips. For my face, I use a tinted sunscreen because it helps protect my skin and I feel like it also brightens up my face. I just put a small amount, dot it on my cheeks, forehead, and chin, and then spread it all over my face. After this, I use a BB cream. I put a small amount at the back of my hand, dot it all over my face, then use a sponge to blend. I also don't forget to blend up to my neck. To set, I am using a loose powder. Here, I'll just gently brush the areas that cover my T-zone. I use a big powder brush to blend even more. So I zoomed you guys in, and now I'm just filling up my eyelids using an eyeshadow stick and then blending it after. I also fill up my lower waterline. I make sure to blend on the corner of my eyes to avoid creasing and harsh lines. Moving on to blush, I'm just dipping the brush to get the product, tapping off the excess, and swiping all over the apples of my cheeks. I use a highlighter to brighten up the inner corners of my eyes. I also highlight my cheekbones, my brow bone, my nose bridge, and my cupid's bow. So going back to the eyes, I use an eyeliner and a small angled brush. I smudge the brush onto the product and then draw a straight line from where my eye ends and just go to the center from there. This gives off an appearance of a smaller eye, which I really like. So once that's done, I'll now move on to the lips. I'll shake the tint first and then swipe it onto my lower lip, blend, and then swipe onto my upper lip after. And there you have it! This is how I do my makeup. It's just a simple look, not too heavy, but it definitely gives off a fresh and blooming vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!